Hey you guys. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing because I got some new stuff and I ain't opening it. I actually had this package sitting in my house for about a week and I'm finally getting to open it. So I got this here from this company from Aliexpress. I will list everything down below in the description box so you can get better acquainted with what's going on. My curls dropped, but if you want to see how I got these curls, not these curls. So if you want to see how I curl my hair with my handy dandy wand curler, you can just check out my videos on my channel. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and an initial review on the hair and everything. So let's get into the video because I'm not about to run my mouth on it. Let's just get into it. Ella sent it to me and everything. So let's get to opening. Alright, so this is how it comes. It's just, no cute little bag, no little box, nothing. It's just in the bag, the FedEx bag. So we're just gonna pull it out. But anyway, we got the bundle. Got the bundle. Here goes the frontal. I'm gonna take everything out for the bundle. And it also came with two little hair bows. That's cute. So alright, so we got a little card, thank you card, and let me show you how it looks. And this is on the back. So the company is called HC Hair. I got it from Aliexpress. Let me see. So on this card is basically instructions on how to make your hair last. How to care can make. I got three bundles of water wave hair in 22 inches, and also got a 20-inch frontal and water wave, of course. And these are the bundles. This is the packaging it comes in. It has the length on it. So excuse the adjustment of the lighting. I just want to make sure y'all can see it. So it has the length. This is the frontal, obviously, and these bundles. So we're gonna crack them open. So I'm gonna start with the bundles. I'm gonna leave the frontal for last. That should be a little surprise because you'll see how that frontal's looking last. So this is the water wave. This is the bundle. It comes on a little net, so I'm gonna take the net off. But this is the hair. I'm not gonna really manipulate it too much because, like I said, it is this hair is soft. Like my fingers are just running. Like no shedding, like none, no shedding. Yo. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna say like it stink, but it has that packaged hair smell. Like it don't smell like corn chips. That's when it's like questionable. We are gonna pray that this frontal is full and nice and ready and there's no problems. I mean, look at the hair already. It's folded still. And look at the hair. It look full and everything so far. So let's pop this baby open to make sure we get a better view. So look at the back. This hair is lit. Like I'm loving it so far. So this is the frontal. It is not pre-plucked, as you can tell. So I'm gonna have some work to do, which is fine. Practice makes perfect. Practice is always better. Plucking practice makes perfect. So there's nothing wrong with it. Anyways, I'm gonna take the rest of the bundles out because, you know, I want to play with them now. I want my hands all in it. It looks the same. I just wanted to touch it. I really just wanted to touch it. So let me show you the wefts. They're pretty thick. I would think so. This is the fullness of the hair. This is all 3 bundles. So this is how the hair would basically lay. This hair is soft as ever. Ooh. But these bundles were super affordable, so they're not gonna break the bank. They're not gonna break your pockets. Like I said, this is an initial review, so the hair so far, just by unboxing, touching it, is good to me. I recommend it.